In the last class, chapter 4, tick, tick, tick. The introduction was given in the last class. How to write the short form of a date, AM, PM was discussed. Now the real stuff we are going to start. How to identify the time by looking at the wall clock. I have told you to take the help of your parents and try to find how to know the timings. Maybe you may be knowing about this. In spite of that, today let me explain how to find the time. If you have seen a wall clock, it looks like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There will be only 12 numbers, not more than that, not less than that. 12 numbers will be there. And there will be 3 hands inside the wall clock: hour hand, minute hand, seconds hand. Time being, we are not discussing anything about seconds hand. We discuss only about 2 hands, hour hand and minute hand. Based on the place where our hand is located, where the minute hand is located, based on that we decide the timings. I will give one simple example. Our hand will be small when compared to the length of the minute hand. The small length is always our hand, HOUR, our hand. Minute hand will be more in the length when compared to that. For example, in a wall clock, our hand is like this, minute hand is like this. Then what will be the time? What is the time of this? You may be knowing this, but let me explain. Where is the hour hand is? Where is the hour hand? It is at 3. Where is the minute hand? It is at 1. That means wherever the minute hand is there, you have to multiply this with 5, because 12 to 1 there will be small lines will be there: 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 1. So here between two numbers there will be 5 minutes. There will be 5 minutes. So this number 1 means it is 5 minutes. Always you have to multiply the minute hand with 5. Always multiply the minute hand with 5. Hour hand at 3, minute hand at 1. 1 means it is 5 minutes. 3 hours, 5 minutes. Time will be 3 hours, 5 minutes. Very simple. Many of you are knowing this because practically you are doing this at home. So 3 hours, 5 minutes. 3 hours, 5 minutes. For example, second example I am giving. Second example. Our hand is at 3. Minute hand is at 7. Minute hand is at 7. That means it is 35 minutes. Minute hand is at 7. Wherever the minute hand is there, you have to multiply with 5. Don't forget. So the time will be 7:35. If it is morning, then AM. If it is afternoon, it is PM. Now, here we are bothered only about the identification of the time. So wherever the minute hand is there, you have to multiply that with 5. One thing is there. When the minute hand is slowly reaching 12, then our hand will slowly comes down, slowly comes down. So when it is more than 30 minutes, it may not be exactly at 3. It can be little lower down than the 3. Okay. So this is how to identify the time. Yeah, you can unmute. If you have any doubts, you can ask. If no doubts, please draw the picture and write the
Sir,
picture. Yes.
send it all in our WhatsApp group.
Yes, this is to be done in your classwork. This is to be done in your classwork. This will not be shared. This will be separately shared. This you are supposed to do in the classwork. Draw the circle, write the numbers, clock, hour hand, minute hand. Wherever the minute hand multiplies by, write the time. Once you know this, you can write directly
Sir,
also.
we should write it.
Write this in the classwork.
Okay, sir. Sir, write it in notebook. Sir, this video you have sent the WhatsApp.
I will not send this. Write in the classwork. Start writing.
Sir, the board is not clear, sir. But net is gone, sir.
Sir, that is not 7:35, sir. Second one, that is 3:35.
3:35. 3:35.
Sir, can you mute all?
You have to draw the circle. To draw the circle, you can make use of a bangle or something available at home. Instead of protractor, it takes time. You can use a bangle, something which is easy to draw the circle. Whenever the minute hand is at 12, that means that is the exact timing.
Sir, your video is off, sir. The board is not clear.
Check your net connection. The minute hand is at 12, that is, if it is at 3 o'clock. If the other hand is at 4, it is 4 o'clock. When it is 12 means exact timing.
Sir, your video is off, sir. Huh?
That is your net connection problem.
I cannot see the screen, sir. Yes, sir. Not see the screen, sir.
Sir, we cannot see screen, sir.
Sir, here the screen, sir.
Check your network
Sir,
connection. There
please
may be problems from
share
your
the
side.
screen, sir.
Problem from your side. Others can see. Why can't you see?
Sir, I can also not see, sir. I can also. Sir, I can also not see, sir. Sir, we cannot see the board, sir.
Screen.
All screens not share the screen, sir. Sir, it's not coming.
After these three, let us start doing this.
See the screen, sir.
This protractor or coin or bangle, something which is in the circular shape to draw the circles. Students, please mute yourself.
Share the screen.
Which is bank?
Mute yourself. Sounds are coming in the background. Someone's out. One worksheet I shared here, classwork. You have to identify the time here. Each clock, write the time that clock shows. What is the time in the first one?
Three five. Sir, I am Akshit. Read.
Sir, first one of time is
4 o'clock, sir.
4 o'clock.
First one.
Correct.
Sir.
4
Sir,
o'clock.
first one is 4 o'clock. Second one is 2, sir. Second one is 2, sir.
2 o'clock, correct.
Third one is 11. 11 o'clock. Sir, third one is 11 o'clock, sir. Fourth one is 8 o'clock, sir. Fourth one is 8 o'clock, sir. Fifth one is 5 o'clock. Sir, the sixth one is 5, sir. Sixth one is 9 o'clock.
Correct, correct. Third one is 11 o'clock. Fourth one.
Sir, I can't see your screen. 8 o'clock. Sir, 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock, sir. I cannot see you. Can you send the video?
Yeah, I will share the video.
Okay, sir.
I will share the
Sir,
video.
third one,
Share the
fourth
class
one is
record.
8.
Four o'clock, 2 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 5 o'clock, then 9 o'clock.
అక్క సార్ మ్యూట్ చేసేసారు హోస్ట్ మ్యూట్ అంటే అని అంటున్నా.
All of you, please switch on the video. No need to tell every time in the class. The video is off. You will be removed from the class. You know that.
మంచిగా ఈయన మస్తు
కానీ ఎక్కడికి
ఎక్కువ
రావద్దు.
పట్టించుకోవద్దు తమ్ముడు అలాగే చిన్న పిల్లడు పట్టించుకో
Please 1 minute, sir.
ఏయ్, ఎక్కువ
Second question.
ఏంటా విషయం
The first question is done. Please look at the second question. Three friends identifying the time by looking at the clock. Out of three friends, whose time is right, that you have to inform.
Pinky, sir. Right.
Whose time is right? What is the first timing? 12 o'clock.
First
12,
time is 3 o'clock. 12
Our hand
o'clock.
is at 3. So our hand is at 3. Minute hand is at 12. So it is 3 o'clock.
Sir, first one Pinky is right, sir. Sir, first 5 o'clock. 7 అంటే 5 7 ఇదేంటి 5:35 ఎవరు కరెక్ట్ అంటే ముగ్గురు ఎవరు కరెక్ట్ ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ సార్ థర్డ్ వన్ సెకండ్ వన్ ఈజ్ పింకీ is correct, sir.
What is the time? Second one, what is the time? Our hand is
5:35.
our hand is near 5.
5:35.
Minute hand is at 7. Minute hand wherever is there, into 5 as it can. 7 into 5, 35. So our hand
Pink
is
is
at
correct,
5,
sir.
minute hand is 35. 5:35 is the answer.
Sir, third one also Pinky is correct, sir. Sir, third one is Pinky is correct, sir. Third one is Pinky.
All of you, please switch on the video.
7:15,
I
sir.
no need to tell again and again in the class.
Sir, third one 7:15, sir.
Third one, 7:50 is the right answer. Ritesh, your video is off. Pallavi, your video is off. Whose video is off, they will be removed from the class. You know that. Next. Here time is given. You have to draw the minute hand and hour hand. Reverse. Time is given.
Sir, you will send a video.
Yes. 20 minutes after 6 o'clock. After 6 o'clock, 20 minutes. It means
6:20.
6:20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Our hand is on 6
Our hand should be at 6.
and be
20.
7
20 means-
o'clock,
20
5
means
o'clock.
keep it at
o'clock, 8 o'clock.
20 means it should be at 4. Minute hand should be at 4 because 4 5 is 20. Minute hand should be at 4. 4 5 is 20. So this is the timing. Like this, you have to draw the circle, minute hand and hour hand.
Minute and hour. Second said the word of the second about had first entire
10 minutes after 7.
7:10, sir. Sir, what we do?
Chaitanya Krishna, why your video is off? Chaitanya Krishna, your video is off. Why? Chaitanya Krishna, I'm asking something to you. Why the video was off?
Sir, the video was on, sir.
No, it was earlier off. Sheikh Arhan, your video is off. G Varshini of 4th C, video is off. If the video is off, I will remove from the class. Pragati, your video is off. You are removed from the
Sir?
class.
Sir, Hashavashti over, sir.
A and B I have done. C and D, you please try. 10 minutes after 7. Oh, that is done here. C is done. C. This is C, not B.
7:10, sir.
30 minutes after 8. 30 minutes after 8 means 8:30.
30, sir.
8:30.
8:06, sir. Okay, sir. B. Sir, hand is on 8 and 8.
నాకు అర్థం కావట్లే
Eight.
8:30. When it is 30 and above, when 30 and above, the our hand will not get 8. It slightly moves. It reaches to 9.
ఖాళీ ఇచ్చారు
So it will be not at 8, it will be after 8. As minutes are moving after 6. After 30 minutes, our hand goes slightly like this.
ఆఫ్టర్ ఎట్లా ఉంటది అంటే ఎట్లా ఉంటుంది 6 o'clock
15 minutes after 5 o'clock means 5:15. 5:15.
5:10, sir. 5:10, sir.
5:15. 15 means
5:15. 5:15. 5:15, sir. 5:15, sir.
minute hand at 3, our hand at 5. $5.50.
over, sir. Third one.
Complete
Sir,
it. How much time you
over.
want? How much time you want? You have to be fast. These all are simple questions in the day-to-day life. We know how to see the time in the clock. Since childhood, you are doing all this. You are not supposed to take much time.
Sir, can you send PDF also?
Yes, I will send. I will send.
Sir, page number what?
You have to match the following. Sri Charan, your video is off.
Sir, over, sir. Hush.
Ritvik Balaji, your video is off. Avilash, video is off.
Sir.
Yeah, match the following. Some timings are given. Clock and timings are there. You have to match them exactly. What is the first timings? Any idea?
$255, sir.
See, 11 means
255,
55.
sir. 5, sir.
Two 55 means it is almost coming to 3. That's why our hand will be at not 2. It will cross 2. I told you. After 30 minutes, it will go down. It is almost 55. 255 means it will not be at 2. It is after 2 only. In between 3. So it is between 2 and 3. Anywhere it is 2 only. Our hand between 2 and 3 is always 2 only. So 255 is the time. Wherever 255 is there, that you have to match. Third one.
Sir, check.
9:15, sir.
9:15, sir.
Correct.
Second one. Second one is 12 o'clock.
Nine 15.
9:15. 12, sir. 12, sir.
Next,
Third one is 12.
Not
Sir,
9.
third one is 12.
That is exactly 12 o'clock. Our hand minute are both are at 12 only, so it is 12 o'clock.
$11.24, sir.
11:25. 11:25.
10:25, sir. 10:25, sir.
12, 265, 265. 130, 130.
9:25, sir. 9:25, sir.
Don't shout. Don't shout.
11:25, sir. 11:25, sir.
Identify the right timings and match with the timings given. See, how to read this? How to read this?
6:10, sir.
This is 6:10. We can read like this also. 10 minutes past 6.
2, sir.
Of 6.
10 minutes, 10 minutes past 6 is also the right answer. After 6 o'clock, 10 minutes completed. 10 minutes passed. So 10 minutes completed after 6 o'clock. You can find the timings like this
6:2,
also.
sir. కటింగ్లేడా
What about this?
అందులో ఉంటుంది చూడు సార్ మూవ్ సార్
Next match the following. What is the timings here?
Sir, I next one.
4 o'clock. 4 o'clock.
Next.
అదేది లైట్ ఆన్ అయింది
30 minutes.
సార్ యూ విల్ సెండ్ ఇన్ గ్రూప్ సార్
I have told you many times I will send the PDF and video. Why you will ask again and again? See, 2:30, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, between 30 minutes. So half of the time is completed. We can also write this as half past 30, half past 2. Half past 2 means half an hour completed after 2 o'clock. Half past 2, half an hour completed after 2 o'clock. That is the meaning of this. Third one. We can also read this as half past 1.
half past 1 1:30 okay sir
Sir, I cannot see you.
Why you want to see me? Look at the board.
I want to write. I want to see board.
You can do on your own. You have to do. You have to do this on your own because we did all these questions till now.
sir we write to note sir
T. Mokshita, your video is off. I have told you many times.
over sir over sir
After 1:30, we have 2 o'clock.
Half past.
2 o'clock. Then 11:30 is there.
11:30 past.
Half past
11 o'clock. 11.
30 minutes past 11. Half past 11.
past.
Sir,
Yes.
you will send the video.
Yes, I will send the PDF. I will send the video. Everything will be sent to you.
Sir,
Don't worry.
send video.
Thank
sir.
you, sir. But we here net is not there, sir. That's why I can't listen starting, sir. Sir, I can't listen from starting. That's why you send the PDF.
Try these two.
Screen, sir.
First one, right?
Yeah, I can't see you. What is the
Sir, show me the screen, sir. Oh,
Try these two.
sir, show me the screen, sir. Sir, show me the. Over, sir.
What are the answers for this? Answer for it.
Sir, not over, sir.
What is the answer?
20, sir.
8,
Sir, over, sir.
Answer for this?
2 o'clock, 5. 2 5.
2 o'clock, 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
5 minutes. 5 minutes.
What?
2 5, sir. 2 5, sir.
I will share the video and also the PDF of the today's class. Nothing to worry. Those who are not able to complete, they can do it. Not able to come along with one homework, along also with one homework worksheet, and send. Do the homework worksheet and send. There is some continuous noise in the background. I have told you many times, you have to mute yourself. You are singing songs, your parents are talking, your TV is running, everything nonsense coming in the background. If you repeat this next class onwards, I will mute all of you. You have no right to talk to me in the class. Only I will speak. You don't have minimum sense, you have to mute yourself, you should not disturb the class. Every time I'm telling the same thing, but you are not doing this. You have to mute yourself. If you have a doubt, unmute, ask, then mute. This simple logic you have to learn in the online classes. Your parents are talking in the background, you are singing songs, your TV is running. What is this? Next class onwards, I will mute all of you. If you have a doubt, chat box only. What is this? This Chaitanya Krishna. Huh? This Chaitanya Krishna is writing nonsense in the chat box. Where is Chaitanya Krishna? I will see him in the next class. Okay.